Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys an amazing trick, which I have already, posted a video on at the beginning times of my channel. I know at the beginning times of my channel, the video's quality was not that good, and my explanation also sucked a bit. So, in this video, I'm going to explain you everything clearly on how to get near to infinite Gmail addresses for free and without any problems. Well, so before we go on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, then just go click on the subscribe button over here, and do not forget to click on the bell button to receive all the notifications from my channel. Well, in this channel, I post a lot of videos, and I trust and believe most of the videos in this channel are going to be helpful to you. And if you want a few more videos on the topics which you need, then please feel free to leave your suggestions, or if you are facing any problems, just feel free to leave your suggestions and ideas and your problems in the comment section, and I would be glad to respond to you and help to you. So guys, now let's just not waste any more time, let's just straightly dive into the video. So coming back to the video, like I told before, I'm going to teach you guys a trick. I'm going to teach you two tricks, and using these two tricks you'll be able to use, and you'll be able to obtain near to infinite Gmail addresses. So guys, let's say for example you are signing up in a website and you would need multiple accounts on the same website, but as per the laws of the rules of the website, you would be able to have only one account per Gmail address. So now what are you going to do? Well, this solution is here to help you guys. I know there are a lot of ways with which you could gain or obtain temporary email addresses, but not every email address has the same quality as a Gmail address, and not all websites are going to accept so many random temporary emails. But all the websites in this world are going to accept an Gmail address. Well, the reason you could say is that Gmail is one of the most trusted email address providers alongside Outlook or Yahoo. Now, moving on back to the content. As you can all see, this is my email address, and I got it from my another gaming channel email address known as King Gamer. Okay. Now, what will happen if I send an email address to this Gmail, but in front of the content over here, in front of the @gmail.com, what if I include few dots? Like in this example, as you can see, I included two dots over here, and still I received this mail in my inbox. So how was this possible, and how did this email receive in my inbox even though I do not own this email address? So for people, you need to understand something, that is a trick known as Gmail dot trick. Yes, what will this do is that whenever you can in detail read about what will this trick do, by clicking over this learn more button over here, you just click on this, you'll be navigated to this page, and here you'll be able to understand about the Gmail dot trick. So what this Gmail dot trick says is that if the sender added dots to your address, you'll still get that mail. No one else sees your emails, and no one can take your account. For example, if your email is johnsmith@gmail.com, you own all dotted versions of the address. For example, john.smith@gmail.com or jo.hsn.sm.ith@gmail.com or j.o.h.n.s.m.i.t.h@gmail.com. Still, all the emails are going to be received in your inbox. If you think that these messages was someone else, you can just report it as spam over here. This is one of the tricks which I was sharing to you guys about. And the second trick which I was sharing to you is that as you can all see, the mails from the Gmail ends with @gmail.com, but that is another domain which will make up the mails end up in your inbox. The domain is going to be googlemail.com. Well, Gmail's abbreviation is obviously going to be Google Mail, and so they own the googlemail.com domain too. So if you go and see, you can just read the message over here. Messages sent to @gmail.com and @googlemail.com are the same. Some countries use @googlemail.com instead, but messages sent to the addresses will go to the same place. So imagine you could combine the dot trick along with the googlemail.com trick, and you can own near to infinite amount of email addresses. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to you and you found something informative in today's video. And like I told before, if you did enjoy watching my video, then just don't forget to click on the thumbs up button located below this video. So with which it will be helpful for it will be as an encouragement for me, and it could prove some support to me. And like I told before, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button to get to know about the real-time updates of my channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in the next video. Until then, it's me Surya Prakash signing off. Until then, bye.